Hey guys, Anthony here. Today we bring you the Thrunite Archer 2A V3 flashlight. Here it is here. Before we get started and review this flashlight and go over some of the technical parameters, let's weigh it with the two AA batteries inside the light. We come up with 3 5/8 ounces, guys. 3 5/8 ounces. And the flashlight is 6 inches in length, and it is just over a ½ inch in thickness. The technical parameters has more information on the sheet, and so let's go over the operation of this flashlight. When you unbox the Thrunite flashlight out of its box right here, you will get a lanyard, some spare O-rings, and you get a tail cap replacement and a small plastic bag right here that comes with the flashlight. Batteries are not included in this light. Again, the light takes 2 AA batteries that go in through the tail cap area here. We'll unscrew it, as all the Thrunite flashlights are really solid, positive grip on the teeth here. There's a look inside the tail cap where the spring is. There's your tail cap on the outside. The housing opening for the 2 AA batteries. 1, 2, positive side forward, and a look down into the chamber. Again, this light does come with a removable clip here, belt clip. You have the activation button here. Once you turn on the tail cap light, you activate the light through a series of presses here on the front of the light. The Thrunite Archer 2A V3. The LED in this light is an XP-L V6. The lens is anti-reflective coated ultra clear toughened glass. As you see here, gives you some good shots of it. The reflector is orange peel. The working voltage is 0.9 to 5 volts. The material is aluminum T6061. Surface finish is premium type 3 hard anodized. And all the workmanship on this light is fantastic, like all the other Thrunite flashlights that I've reviewed in the past. We went over the weight and the size of this light. Some more parameters. On high output with 2 AA batteries, you're looking at 500 lumens for 96 minutes. On medium mode, you're looking at 75 lumens for 11 hours, which is fantastic. On low or general mode, you're looking at 17 lumens for 4 days. And on Firefly mode, which is 0.2 lumens, you can operate on for 28 days. And in the strobe mode, again, you're going to hit 500 lumens for 140 minutes. Distance that the light will shine is 108 meters max. Intensity is 2,912 CD or candela, I believe that is. Impact resistance to 1 meter, like many of the other Thrunite flashlights, and waterproof to IPX-8 up to 2 meters in depth, and we'll look at those later. Those are some of the technical parameters on this light. Now let's go over the operation of the light itself. Okay guys, let's go over some of the light modes on this. The tail cap is how you activate the light. One full press. The tail cap, you can see on the piece of wood here, I'm in Firefly mode. Now by reaching up and depressing the front button here, light bound by the lens, you'll be low, medium, and high, and holding it for just a second will strobe, and then one more quick press back to high, back down to Firefly, low, medium, high, strobe. So that's basically how you cycle through this light. Again, right now we're in high mode. Cycle through Firefly, low, medium, high. Firefly, you could barely see it there on the wood. Low, medium, high. And then when I shut the light with the tail cap, a half of the depression with your finger will activate the light in whatever mode it was shut off in, except for strobe mode. So this is activating in high mode, and then if I shut it off in Firefly mode, I could momentarily activate it in the Firefly mode as well by pressing the tail cap halfway. This light feels very good in the hand. It's got some really good knurling here in the center. Again, you've got your tail clip if you want to clip it. Have you seen in the video, I had it clipped in a Maxpedition storage pouch, which would be great in an EDC kit. This is great in a backpack, great at work, in the office, in the van, in your pocket. Excellent light for everyday use. In the past, guys, I've done some other Thrunite videos. If you've seen recently, my Thrunite TH20 headlamp, which is a fantastic headlamp. I use this almost every day walking the dogs. The Thrunite, get you a good shot of it, TN12 2016. Another flashlight that I carry in a holster along with my firearm. That's that one. Done this one in the past, a TI4 pen light. Another good EDC flashlight from Thrunite. And another great one, the Thrunite TI3 AAA battery. Both of these are AAA battery flashlights from Thrunite. So that's just a few of the flashlights from Thrunite that I reviewed. Today we're looking at the Thrunite Archer 2A V3, another fantastic addition to the Thrunite family. Hey guys, for those of you that wear a suit jacket or a sport coat, this light fits fantastic right here in the sport coat pocket. Clips in perfectly. Another great EDC for those of us that have to dress up in a suit or in a sport coat. watching, guys. This concludes our video on the Archer 2A V3 LED flashlight. Check the links out in the description box that I've provided. Thrunite has some great sales going on and some great discount coupons put into the description box. So check that out. Let us know your questions, comments, any suggestions for future videos. And we thank you for joining us. Have a great, safe, happy holiday season. And thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for the subscriptions. And check out the many Thrunite products that we'll have in the links attached. Thanks a lot. Take care. Stay ready.